My name's Mark Benedictson, and this is my friend Ellen Schultz. She'll be at the starting line with Lucy on the second heat. Lucy's a year and a half, and she's never been in the race before, of course, and we have not been practicing, so we're not quite sure she's going to go in the right direction, but...
We thought it was a cool chance for her to meet other taxis, and good opportunity also for her to run along another dogs and to prove how fast she is.
We're going to use the horse starting gate. Make sure when you put the horse in the gate, when we start, you don't pause or fold your dog out. We are people done, you will be disqualified. Let go of the dog, let the dog walk to the finishing line. Okay.